We have our next 5-ball pattern, and we're going to work this backwards. Ideally, we would like to be in this area here for the 5, so we can shoot it in this corner right over here by my cursor. All right, how do we get to this position from the 4-ball? Ideally, if we can be about where the 2-ball is located, we can just hit this and float right up in that area. So how do we get to this area from the 3-ball? Ideally, I would like to be close to this rail, and I will use top left, hit it about right that first diamond, come down to about this 3rd diamond and bounce out where the 2 is. If we miss position and we get about right here, we'll hit this with top right, come here and float over toward the 2. All right, how do we get our ideal area up for the 3-ball from the 2-ball? Ideally, I would like to be about right here. If I can hit right there, I will hit this with low left, and I'll come off of this rail here, and bounce over. So I'll have to make sure I hit it with enough speed to get there. All right, how do I get to this area here for the 2-ball from the 1-ball? I'm going to put the cue ball. Let's see, the pocket line is right through here. I'm going to put the cue ball real close to the pocket line and just shoot this forward and stop up here in this area here. All right, everyone, that's my solution. Let's sticker it up and get to it. The key to this pattern is getting the proper angle on the 3 ball, which is near the corner pocket. If a player tried to play position A for the 3 ball, he can still get position on the 4 ball, but it takes much more effort than if we had ended up on the rail as in this solution. From here, it's just a matter of softly rolling in the 3 ball with running English to end up in our position area for the 4 ball. At this angle on the 4 ball, we can use top spin to send the cue ball to the other end rail. If we end up with a bit more angle on the 4 ball, then we'll have to use a touch of right spin when we shoot it. All right, everyone, we shoot the 1 ball, we're not going to touch a rail. When we shoot the 2 ball with bottom left, we're going to hit the side rail, and end rail. When we shoot the 3 ball with top left, we're going to hit the side rail and side rail. When we shoot the 4 ball, we're going to shoot the end rail and end rail. All right, everyone, you know the solution. Sticker this up and get to it.